Hey guys, Dave Anderson, Helicool's Helipad. This episode is a special episode coming to you direct from Alabama. You guys enjoy. Dang bugs. Well guys, this is a jelly palm tree. This thing sat for about 10 years at about 3 foot high, maybe 4 foot. It's probably the slowest growing palm that there is. It's now, I think, at the very top about 15 feet. But it does have fruit that's growing on it. And I'm going to try some of that fruit because it's edible, and apparently because it's a jelly fruit that it's good for making jelly. Has its own natural pectin. All right, I'm all done with the palm. My son picked some fruit the other day. We just left the rest of the fruit down on the ground. There's bugs and whatnot in it. This is Alabama. There's bugs everywhere. Anyway, palm tree is done. On to the next project. Well, looks like we're going to be going down underneath the house. Got the PEX project that I am working on, replacing everything with PEX. Wish me luck. It's a deep dark hole. Very hot and humid here. Of course, I'm definitely not used to it, but I can only stand to be under the house for about an hour, hour and a half, and I have to get out. It's just so muggy, so hot here. So I'm taking a break. Well, I'm doing just about everything I can to stay above ground at this point. Ended up fixing this door and ripping a few things out. I had to pull that out in order to fix it. But I believe it is sealed up good now. I'm gonna have to move to the outside to finish her up. Alright, now that I got the outside stripped off, I'm going to cut new OSB, put some tar paper up, and get some siding on, put the molding back. This will be a done deal. If I'm not mistaken, that door hasn't been used in a while. Oh, there was an Apache. Go behind the trees. There he is. Now they have a training route. It's just down in the creek bed. If it's a quarter mile from here, I'd be surprised. Constant sight here all throughout the week, except for Saturdays and Sundays, most of the time. Alright, I am done with this side. Just have to paint it. And I still have this side to do. Alright, little project for Dad. He was in the Navy. Went to Buds. Become a Navy SEAL. Still very proud to be in the Navy. Did I mention there's some gigantic creatures out here. Huge insects. This thing is about the size, every bit as long as, oh, that's got to be an inch and a quarter maybe. Solitary red ant. Well, I said I'd try one. This is off of the jelly palm. Let's just see what it tastes like. That's different. Sort of tastes like an apricot mixed with a little bit of mixed with a little bit of mango. It's sweet. Little hint of apple too. It's got a seed inside. You know, there's a little nuance of peach as well. So, yeah. That tree right over there, palm, not bad. We Scouts of America all over the place, heading inside. Field after field of cotton. Yep, it's all done. Got it drywalled in anyway. Looks better. Well, it is as done as I can get it for today and this trip. 2 coats of paint. Not too bad. Not too bad. Well guys, I am just this side of being roasted. Oh Lord, this has been pretty good week. Did get a flagpole up, so that was pretty cool. It's setting in concrete. Still looks like it's fairly level though. Anyway, I've just been going so hard that I haven't even shaved, and I think one day I went through 4 t-shirts, all of them totally soaked with sweat, of course. And so ends our trip to Alabama. We've been here for now 6 days. This is day 6, and we're going to be heading home. I really appreciate you coming with me on this little journey. I can't wait to get back home and start working on my LMTV again. Malachi is probably missing me right now. I know Bob just texted and said, "Hey man, when you getting back home?" I said, "Okay, yeah, Wednesday night." Okay, cool. So it's been a good trip. And again, I appreciate you coming with. Till next time, guys, I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe, and God bless. Oh yeah, since I left my hard drive back home, here's my little spiel at the end. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Those are how you support the channel. Thank you so very much. I really appreciate you guys watching. Hey, don't forget to choose another video before you leave, okay? Come back anytime. Take care.